Good day, beautiful people. This is Hatice. Today from my headquarters, Kiev, my Airbnb room, which is in very old school style. It's very beautiful and nice. I really like it. But today I have great news. It's Sunday, it's very sunny outside. I went on a nice, beautiful walk and it was amazing. However, I want to share with you a little bit more about my journey with IVDY, bringing excellent healthcare to everyone with one click. Brand new concept, and I had a very nice conversation with a friend today, and we had very interesting discussions, and we talked about marketing, which was very interesting for me because I have also a little bit marketing knowledge. I'm not a marketer, but I have knowledge, and there are some mentors that I follow who are the best of the best. And there were also a couple people last week I talked with for my program. I'm offering a coaching program for blockchain, artificial intelligence, healthcare engineering. So it's a mixture of three very different areas, but this is just who I am. I do this healthcare, medical, artificial intelligence, disease prediction thing my entire life. So blockchain is the latest skill knowledge that came, but it's also already a part of my work, everyday work creation. So in the conversation today with my friend, we were talking, and the one thing we both together discovered, which something is that I already know, is I'm not really marketing the thing that I'm doing, but the thing that I'm doing is very exclusive and it's a very specific niche. So it's very something that a lot of people would like to learn more and know more about it, because it's very from the outside it seems like very complicated and complex, but it's so simple actually. So when I can put it down and break it down for people who doesn't have that kind of knowledge, just as like a coaching program, then they can get knowledge, basic fundamental understanding, and just follow a process to get this kind of knowledge and skill set, but also improve in a direction that is going towards the future, because we're switching from, okay, everybody is now familiar with the internet, but we're switching from a little bit further to the blockchain world. Everybody has heard about cryptocurrencies and being independent. So what I am creating is actually making you independent with your health and medical data. So it's completely a different approach to the healthcare that we have, or that we all are familiar with currently. And the blockchain technology enables a lot of new freedoms that needs to be implemented and integrated in our daily life. So this is what I am creating in general. So to make it more familiar to everyone and make it easier to understand what it actually is and the benefits, I will do very simple introductory courses, the coaching program, and it's just gonna start building on all those knowledges. So you can start at the point where you are to fundamentally understand what this blockchain is and how it will help you with your health data, your medical data, and where the road will go long term, but understanding the current situation, the fundamental, the basic concepts will help you just also see that this is a technology actually that will really give me and myself as a patient a lot of benefits. So that will help you to go towards this more independent way of using your own medical and health information and really being the control and the owner of your own information without being in the risk of anyone from the outside taking control over your own data. And yeah, so to understand this entire concept, we're preparing launch of different subjects and courses which will be online, and you can access it from anywhere in the world. And we all know we are in a digital world, so the internet makes a lot of things possible. You can reach all the kind of information to educate yourself, to learn more about it. And this way I'm just sharing with you my knowledge, my experience in a very simple and easy way, so you can learn how to use your own medical data, your own information in an efficient way that actually benefits you and yourself, and not a system that's outside of you. So I'm looking forward for building everything more publicly and sharing it with you, the entire journey, where I am, what I'm doing. And if you have specific, concrete questions, always comment or reach out on the social media. There will be feedback and answering, of course. So for today, that's all, and I'll wish you a great day.